Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, Stories of Mama Naini. So today, we're gonna try product from USA, but I'm not sure if it's really from USA. I received it from someone from USA. So, I'm gonna share it to you, and actually, na-open ko na yung pack niya. This is it. So, what we're expecting are chocolates with liquor.
This is from liquor. And not this is for old people, not for boys.
Yes, it's for older people, for adults only, not for kids. Okay? Alright. So, I'm gonna so you would see. Hi. Yeah, nakita pa ng mga rice cooker dyan. So, it's Anthon Berg since 1884, a selection of liquor-filled dark chocolates. So, what I like and what my family knows is that I love dark chocolates. But this time, it has a twist kasi there's liquor in it. So, we're gonna try. We're expecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them inside. Actually, I've shared na few of these to my uncle kasi sobrang dami naman. 1 kilogram ang isang box. So, let's open. Yan. Parang refrigerator. So, we have Malibu. Yung iba, I'm really not sure kung ano-ano to. We have
And this is a refrigerator.
ano to? Matusalem. Oh, parang refrigerator sila, no? And then we have Remy Martin, Southern Comfort. I'm not sure how to pronounce this. Contru, Famous Grues. I don't know. Subiski vodka and Dramby. I'm not sure. So, we're gonna try. And sa mga gilid nakalagay dito, this is the best way to enjoy our chocolate liqueurs. Unwrap, turn and bite, drink. Kasi nga may feeling siya of liquor inside, and then enjoy. Hindi naman siguro tayo malalasing. Meron bang information dito about the content? I don't see anything. So, let's try Malibu. Okay,
You want
sana
to try this?
later, I'm gonna try everything.
Yeah.
And then, it says here, okay, I'm gonna read.
What?
Malibu Original, one of the world's leading flavored spirits with a light, sweet, and refreshing taste of coconut, also known as a hero ingredient in the iconic piña colada. Piña colada, piña colada. So, I'm gonna try this. Sabi daw, unwrap. How to unwrap?
Need to
So,
unwrap
ganito
it.
siya.
Need to open it.
Yes, and
And there there's
oops, don't cover.
the when you eat the chocolate and there's drinks.
Yes, correct. But this is only for adults.
And not me.
Sabi dito, unwrap.
I cannot eat this.
Okay.
And don't feed it. Don't feed it on me.
No, I'm not gonna feed it on you, anak. This is only for mom.
What is it?
See, when you open the box, actually, ayan, ganyan. You will smell the liquor na talaga. So, it looks like this. You will smell the liquor pagkabukas mo pa lang ng box. So, amoy
Disgusting.
nakakalasing. And, let's bite.
This is
Smooth siya, smooth.
it's see. This is problem from chocolates.
Yung top part niya, medyo matigas. Sa gitna, malambot. That's why it says drink. But, this came from the ref na, so I don't think the liquid will pour down. Yeah.
The liquid is not going to the refrigerator.
Ano siya? Nung chocolate and then a little bit of liquor lang. So Malibu is made with rum. I'm not familiar sa mga liquor ha. So this one pala is rum. I've tried a few rum lang, so yeah. Ganun yung taste na, chocolate and rum.
It's not tasty for me. You want this? You want this? You want this?
Ganito siya.
You want this? You want the...
So guys, I finished it na. Parang nagre-regret ako to tell you na susubukan ko lahat because it's sweet. And I think if I'm gonna try 3 more,
This is
masarap
sweet.
to sa lalamunan ko.
And this is sweet from the adults.
Actually, it's sweet naman siya.
It's from the
But it's not the same sa ibang chocolate na
The chocolate is
unang try mo pa lang, magkakasakit ka na sa lalamunan. Pero ito kasi if I'm gonna try 3 more, magkakasakit ako.
That
But I'm gonna
chocolate-
try another one.
The chocolate is at the
I think I'm gonna try the
red.
red one.
Yeah.
Okay, sabi niya, pagbigyan natin.
It's so tasty.
Okay, this one is Southern Comfort. So it says here, established in 1874, Southern Comfort is the original ready for anything whiskey. The brand became a true American icon with its one-of-a-kind, smooth, downright delicious blend of flavors. Ayan. So, saglit lang ha. I don't think I can try it at all. But I'm gonna read to you each one. Saglit lang. I might, but saglit lang. Basahin ko muna kung ano-ano mga flavors, ha?
You want this one?
Okay, let me try this one.
And this one?
This is the Matusela.
And what?
Okay,
and this-
Matusela Gran Reserva 15 is an award-winning premium dark rum born in Cuba, produced in the Dominican Republic and enjoyed all over the world. Saglit. Yan. And then we're gonna try.
You want this one? This one? This one?
Okay, the orange one. The orange one.
The
This
orange-
one is, sa pagkabasa ko, is Contru. Oopsie, Contru. So the French liqueur, famous for its complex and balanced flavors, Contru is made from a unique blend of sweet and bitter orange peels. Maganda to because alam niyo yung parang sa KitKat, orange and chocolate go best talaga. They're
You
best
know-
partners na flavor. Pag
You
may
know-
chocolate, you must try it paired with orange. I'm gonna try this one instead. Later lang.
And it have orange.
Okay, now we're gonna get the
I want the white.
Remy Martin. Now the Remy Martin, 3 centuries of crafting the finest cognac. Cognac ba yan? With the utmost respect for their heritage, craftsmanship, and the way of nature. Remy Martin produce signature spirits of exceptional quality. Ooh, Remy Martin. Feeling ko mga black label na level siya. Next is the famous Grouse. Please correct me. So this one, blending premium whiskey, has been the foundation of the famous Grouse craft since 1800. It is now one of the most popular Scotch brands in the world. Oh, Scotch pala siya. Scotch. And then,
Mommy,
hold on. We're gonna try this.
the white right here.
Yep.
Just click it.
Yep. Hold on.
Can you have the yellow one, the gold?
This one is Sobieski vodka.
Yes.
Sobieski vodka story begins in Poland, which fields where golden Dankowski rye is harvested. It is continuously distilled, creating one of the purest and smoothest vodkas in the world. Ooh. And
That's
the last one.
It's the gold.
Hold on.
The gold. The gold.
Yan. Ang hirap nilang ibalik dun sa refrigerator nila. Yan. And the Dramby. Dramby, I don't know, is a blend of aged Scotch whiskey, spices, herbs, and healthier honey. The name is derived from Scots Gaelic Andrambudhich and means the drink that satisfies. The drink that satisfies.
That's the one right here. That's the one.
Correct. Okay, so I'm gonna try that next time siguro. Sorry guys, but I'm gonna open this. This is, kasi sabi nila orange and chocolate, and that's my favorite flavor even for Kit Kat.
I like white.
I know, but it's not for you. This is for me to try.
I just want to put it on you.
Hold on. So, yan, that's... Actually, ang one chocolate is enough nang to satisfy you. But for the sake, cheers! Cheers! So we're gonna bite.
And me.
Usually this one is...
Cheers to me.
This part is hard, and expect na yung dito na part is mas malambot.
This is tastes good from adults.
See? Ay buka siya.
And there are waters on the chocolate.
Compared to Malibu, hindi siya ganun ka-chocolatey. Siguro kasi nababalance siya ni orange flavor. But, ganun pa rin, masarap. Hindi ko masyadong nafe-feel na may liquor siya. Mas malakas yung taste ni orange and chocolate together. So, grabe, ang liit naman kasi ng mga sulat. So, this is
so sweet. This is from sweet.
grabe, kailangan ko ng magnifying lens. Oh! Wala, di ko mabasa. Ang liit, oh. Anyway, guys.
That's... Is it...
Oo. Yun. Yung liquor.
The bigger little yellows?
Gonna try everything.
Busted!
Yeah. I think 2 is enough for your night. 2 is enough para medyo tamaan tayo ng konting kalasingan. At saka let me flip. Anyway, there's a lot to enjoy pa. Thank you guys for watching. I hope
click subscribe.
you get to enjoy this
And
too
click and subscribe.
in your lifetime. Yep. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye!
Bye.
See you after later.
Bye.